the Residency in Clinical Electrophysiology Hands-on Diagnostics. It is accredited by the American Board of Physical Therapy Residency and Fellowship Education. This premier program is designed in two parts. Part 1 is the Diplomate program. It begins with a structured 4-stage educational experience that combines live instruction, online learning, hands-on practice, and direct mentorship. Stage 1, Electrodiagnostic Fundamentals. In this stage, participants build a strong foundation in neuroanatomy and neurophysiology. This includes a 3-day live session supported by digital lectures and guided self-study. Participants then complete 25 mentored non-patient studies reviewed through our mentorship portal by a board-certified mentor. Stage 2, Advanced Techniques and Patient Diagnostics. In Stage 2, participants progress into more advanced nerve conduction techniques and refine their electrodiagnostic examination skills. This stage also includes a 3-day live session with expanded online resources. At the conclusion of this stage, participants take the midterm examination. Once they pass, they are cleared to begin testing on real patients. Residents then complete 25 mentored patient studies, guided and reviewed by a board-certified mentor committed to their clinical development. Stage 3, Mastery and Supplementary Diagnostic Techniques. In Stage 3, residents advance into higher-level electrodiagnostic applications. They also gain exposure to complementary diagnostic tools such as ultrasound imaging and somatosensory evoked potential testing. These advanced techniques expand the clinical reach of the electrodiagnostic practitioner and represent the future of diagnostic practice. Stage 4, Credentialing and Proficiency Validation. The final stage includes an 8-hour on-site live mentorship with a board-certified mentor while residents perform testing on real patients. The phase is paired with a final 3-day live session and additional online learning. Completion of this 4-stage Diplomate program leads to the awarding of the Diplomate in Electrodiagnosis certification and the D-EDX credential. These recognize foundational competence in electrodiagnosis. After that, participants advance to Part 2 of the program, the Residency. In this phase, residents complete 250 additional mentored patient studies, receiving ongoing guidance and feedback from their mentor. They also complete 92 additional one-on-one on-site mentor hours, bringing the total to 100 live mentor hours across the full program. Residents also complete 18 topic appraisals, 50 EMG whiz patient cases, 200 neuromuscular evaluations, and other selective educational activities that contribute to a total of 2,006 program hours. Upon completion of the residency, graduates are awarded the R-EDX credential. This honor is presented during the Hands-on Diagnostics Annual Symposium graduation ceremony. Completion of the program also qualifies graduates to become candidates for the Electrophysiology Clinical Specialty Examination, taking the next step toward board certification. This is more than a training program. It is a pathway to becoming a highly skilled, advanced-level specialist in clinical electrodiagnosis. For more information, visit aace.education and handsondiagnostics.com.